This isn't just about predicting gadgets and upgrades. It's about understanding the fundamental shifts that will redefine how we live, work, interact, and shape our future as a global society. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together, exploring the fascinating and transformative future of tech predictions for 2026. Our exploration begins with the continued evolution of artificial intelligence, a force that is unraveling new opportunities and challenges every day. Over the next few years, AI is expected to integrate more seamlessly into our everyday routines, transcending complex tasks that once seemed exclusively human. Imagine a future where AI not only serves as a tool for analytics or simple automation, but acts as a collaborative partner in creative problem-solving, healthcare diagnostics, and even emotional support. The algorithms powering our smart assistants and data processing centers are predicted to become more intuitive, empathetic, and capable of deciphering the nuances of human conversation, thereby erasing the boundaries between man and machine. As these intelligent systems mature, they will likely trigger an era in which ethical considerations become paramount, demanding a balance between efficiency and human values. Connectivity, the silent force behind the digital revolution, is set to transform with unprecedented speed and scale. We are on the brink of witnessing not only widespread 5G deployment, but also the embryonic stages of 6G technology, which will introduce near-zero latency and colossal data throughput. As networks become more robust and omnipresent, our devices will communicate with each other in ways that are almost instantaneous, fostering innovations like smart cities that seamlessly integrate IoT, cloud computing, and advanced analytics. Dr. Susan Parker, founder and CEO of TechFront Research, explains,
"The path to 2026 is paved by exponential advancements in connectivity. The boundaries of bandwidth and latency will dissolve, bringing forth a new era of digital instantaneity that reshapes global communication. With data streams converging and communicating at lightning speeds, our digital interactions will become richer, more immersive, and even more secure."
Another defining trend that will gain exponential momentum and critical importance by 2026 is the global imperative for sustainable and green technologies. As the world collectively confronts the escalating and increasingly urgent challenges of climate change, environmental degradation, and resource scarcity, the technology industry, with its immense innovative capacity and global reach, will be under unprecedented pressure to not only drastically reduce its own environmental footprint, but also to spearhead the development and widespread deployment of transformative solutions that actively contribute to a more sustainable and ecologically responsible future. We predict a surge of accelerated innovation in clean energy technologies, with significant breakthroughs anticipated in enhancing solar energy efficiency beyond current limitations, developing next-generation battery storage solutions characterized by increased capacity, extended longevity, and reduced environmental impact, and the accelerated exploration and commercialization of novel renewable energy sources, such as advanced geothermal energy systems, wave energy converters, and even fusion energy research, making tangible progress towards practical applications. Sustainable technology will also permeate virtually every sector of the economy, driving a fundamental shift towards circular manufacturing processes that minimize waste and maximize resource utilization, powering the development of energy-efficient and environmentally conscious green data centers with drastically reduced energy consumption and minimized carbon footprints, and fostering the widespread adoption of smart city solutions that leverage data analytics and IoT technologies to optimize resource management, reduce urban waste generation, enhance energy efficiency in urban environments, and promote more sustainable patterns of urban living. The global transportation sector will continue its irreversible transition towards electrification, with electric vehicles rapidly becoming mainstream, driven by technological advancements in battery technology, expanding charging infrastructure, and increasingly stringent emissions regulations, while parallel advancements in autonomous driving technologies promise to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and further minimize transportation-related emissions, contributing to cleaner and more efficient urban mobility. Consumers, too, will play an increasingly pivotal role in driving the sustainable tech revolution, actively seeking out eco-friendly and ethically sourced products, demanding greater transparency and accountability from companies regarding their environmental and social practices, and embracing circular economy models that prioritize product longevity, repairability, reuse, and responsible recycling, creating a powerful market pull for sustainable innovation. This profound convergence of technology and sustainability is not merely an ethical imperative driven by environmental concerns. It represents a vast and rapidly expanding economic opportunity, stimulating innovation across diverse sectors, fostering the creation of entirely new industries focused on green solutions, and driving a global transition towards a more resilient, resource-efficient, and environmentally harmonious global economy, creating both economic prosperity and ecological well-being. To fully grasp the critical importance and transformative potential of this trend, let's consider the expert perspective of Professor Emily Carter, Director of the Center for Sustainable Technology at the Institute for Green Innovation. Professor Carter powerfully asserts,
"Sustainability will unequivocally cease to be a peripheral or niche consideration within the technology landscape. By the pivotal year of 2026, it will be comprehensively and irrevocably embedded as a fundamental core design principle, intrinsically guiding every facet of technological development and innovation."
We are poised to witness an unprecedented and transformative surge in technological innovation, meticulously and strategically focused on the establishment of truly circular economies that fundamentally minimize waste generation and maximize the efficient utilization of finite resources, aggressively reducing the ever-growing problem of electronic waste through the implementation of innovative recycling technologies and sustainable product design strategies, and most critically, pioneering groundbreaking technologies that actively and demonstrably contribute to large-scale environmental restoration, ecological regeneration, and the long-term health of our planet. The technology industry, endowed with its unparalleled innovative capacity, vast global reach, and inherent dynamism, will undoubtedly emerge as the vanguard, resolutely spearheading a comprehensive and irreversible global transition towards a demonstrably more sustainable, ecologically responsible, and environmentally harmonious future for all of humanity. This profound and systemic integration of sustainability into the very core of technology development will be an undeniable and defining characteristic of the global tech landscape, not just in 2026, but for generations to come. Expanding our horizon beyond these three dominant trends, AI, connectivity, and sustainable tech, we also anticipate transformative advancements across a diverse spectrum of other crucial technological domains as we approach 2026. The dynamic field of biotechnology is on the cusp of truly revolutionary breakthroughs, particularly in the realm of personalized medicine, where rapid advancements in genetic sequencing technologies, coupled with the analytical power of AI, will enable the development of highly tailored treatments and proactive preventative healthcare strategies optimized for individual genetic predispositions and lifestyle factors, ushering in an era of precision healthcare. Gene editing technologies, such as the groundbreaking CRISPR-Cas9 system, will continue to undergo rapid refinement and maturation, holding immense promise for offering potential cures for a wide range of debilitating genetic diseases, from cystic fibrosis to Huntington's disease, and opening up entirely new frontiers in enhancing human health, extending human longevity, and even fundamentally altering the course of human evolution, while simultaneously raising profound ethical and societal questions that demand careful consideration and responsible governance. AI-driven drug discovery platforms will dramatically accelerate the traditionally lengthy and resource-intensive process of pharmaceutical innovation, leveraging machine learning algorithms to analyze vast datasets of biological and chemical information, predict drug efficacy and safety profiles, and identify novel therapeutic targets, potentially leading to the faster development of life-saving treatments for a wide range of diseases, from cancer to neurodegenerative disorders. Space technology, fueled by the combined ambitions of government space agencies and burgeoning private space companies, will continue its ambitious and awe-inspiring trajectory, with lunar missions becoming increasingly frequent and sophisticated, paving the way for sustained lunar presence and concrete plans for crewed missions to Mars solidifying, marking a new era of human exploration beyond Earth's orbit. The commercialization of space will expand rapidly, encompassing diverse sectors such as space tourism, offering unprecedented access to space for private citizens, satellite-based internet access, providing global connectivity to even the most remote regions, and the nascent but increasingly viable field of asteroid resource extraction, potentially unlocking vast reserves of valuable minerals and resources from celestial bodies, fundamentally altering resource economics and driving space-based industrialization. Quantum computing, while still grappling with significant technical challenges related to qubit stability and error correction, may well witness breakthroughs in 2026 that unlock practical applications in specific, high-impact areas. Quantum simulations of complex molecules and materials will revolutionize materials science, enabling the design of novel materials with unprecedented properties. Quantum optimization algorithms will tackle complex logistical and financial challenges with unparalleled efficiency, and advancements in quantum cryptography will usher in an era of ultra-secure communication networks, resistant to even the most powerful classical computing attacks, fundamentally transforming data security and privacy in the digital age. Cybersecurity will remain a perpetually critical and relentlessly evolving domain, as cyber threats become ever more sophisticated, persistent, and pervasive, targeting individuals, organizations, and critical infrastructure with increasing frequency and severity. AI-powered cybersecurity solutions, leveraging machine learning to detect and respond to threats in real time, advanced threat detection systems capable of identifying subtle anomalies and zero-day exploits, and robust, next-generation encryption technologies will be absolutely essential to safeguard digital assets, protect sensitive data, and maintain the integrity of interconnected systems in an increasingly complex and interconnected digital world. As we synthesize these diverse and interconnected trends, spanning artificial intelligence, sustainable technology, biotechnology, space exploration, quantum computing, cybersecurity, and mobile network evolution, a compelling and unified picture of the technological landscape of 2026 begins to emerge. It is a picture characterized by accelerated innovation, profound societal transformation, and the blurring of boundaries between the physical, digital, and biological realms. While predicting the future with absolute precision remains an inherently impossible endeavor, these expert insights, coupled with careful analysis of current technological trajectories and emerging trends, offer a robust and plausible vision of what we can realistically anticipate in the coming years. The synergistic convergence of these diverse technological forces, artificial intelligence acting as a pervasive enabling technology, the metaverse creating new digital realms for interaction and experience, the urgent drive for sustainability reshaping industries and consumption patterns, and the continued advancements in biotech, space tech, quantum computing, and cybersecurity, pushing the boundaries of human capability, will collectively and profoundly reshape the technological landscape, creating both unprecedented opportunities for progress and complex challenges that demand careful consideration and proactive mitigation. This future, brimming with technological promise and transformative potential, necessitates a proactive, collaborative, and ethically grounded approach from all stakeholders: governments, industry leaders, academic researchers, and individual citizens alike. Navigating the ethical dilemmas posed by increasingly autonomous and powerful AI systems, ensuring equitable access to the immersive experiences and economic opportunities of the metaverse, fostering truly sustainable and environmentally responsible technological development, and proactively safeguarding against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats will require sustained dialogue, robust regulatory frameworks, and a shared commitment to harnessing technology for the betterment of humanity and the long-term health of our planet. As technology continues its relentless and accelerating evolution, staying informed, engaging in critical discussions about its implications, and embracing a future-oriented mindset characterized by both optimism and responsible foresight will be more essential than ever for individuals, organizations, and societies to not merely adapt to, but to actively shape and thrive within this rapidly changing and increasingly technologically driven world. The future of technology in 2026 and beyond is not simply about faster processors, sleeker gadgets, or more immersive entertainment. It is about fundamentally and profoundly reshaping our world, redefining the human experience, and charting a course towards a future that is both technologically advanced and humanistically enriched. Thank you once again for joining us on this in-depth and illuminating exploration of the future of tech predictions for 2026. We sincerely hope that this journey into the technological horizon has not only informed you but also sparked your imagination and ignited your curiosity about the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. We are deeply interested in hearing your valuable perspectives and forward-looking predictions. What specific technologies are you most enthusiastic about as we approach 2026 and venture beyond? What potential challenges and transformative opportunities do you foresee in this rapidly accelerating and ever-evolving technological landscape? Please do share your insightful thoughts, informed opinions, and visionary predictions in the comments section below. We wholeheartedly encourage a vibrant, engaging, and thought-provoking discussion amongst our community of tech enthusiasts and future-oriented thinkers. If you have found this video to be both informative and intellectually stimulating, we kindly encourage you to give it a resounding thumbs up. Share it widely with your network of fellow tech aficionados and future-minded individuals. And most importantly, subscribe to the Morgansoft channel to ensure you remain consistently at the forefront of cutting-edge tech analysis, insightful future-focused content, and comprehensive explorations of the perpetually fascinating and rapidly changing world of technological innovation. Stay perpetually curious, remain diligently informed, and we eagerly anticipate connecting with you again in our next video, where we will continue to unpack the endlessly captivating and profoundly impactful world of technological advancement and its implications for our shared future.